Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer videos from iPhone to Windows 10 PC. All right, let's begin. First, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Once connected, open This PC on your computer. You'll see your iPhone listed as Apple iPhone. Double-click on it, then open the Internal Storage folder. Now, to easily locate the most recent videos, click the Sort By option at the top right, then select More. In the extended menu, choose Created as the sorting option. This will organize the files based on the date they were created, placing the newest ones at the top. Scroll through the folders, locate the video you want to transfer, then right-click and select Copy. Go to the folder on your PC where you want to save the video, right-click, and choose Paste. The video will be transferred from your iPhone to your Windows 10 PC. So that's basically how you can transfer videos from iPhone to Windows 10 PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.